in the last ARB price prediction, I gave you a short and a long target, and look what happened. We basically got the short down perfectly from here to here, and we got the long down perfectly from here. Look at it, was pixel perfect. Both of the levels that I gave you were liquidation areas. Both of these levels got hit, and when they got hit, we got instant ROI on both of these trades. Instant ROI. So the question is, what is going to happen now? What are good trades that we can go over within this video? So the first thing we want to make sure we understand is where we at in terms of liquidations. This video, by the way, is no financial advice. So we have liquidations in two areas. We just liquidated a bunch of people here, and at 4439 is above these highs. This is where a lot of shorts would put their stop losses at. So we'll just go ahead and mark it on the chart. Here we go. On a 30-minute, this would be pretty easy to notice. So right here, I would be interested in taking a long real quick, and my take profit would be the 4420 area, and from there I might add a short. That's pretty much my ARB trade. If you want to learn more about my strategy, how I'm up 275 grand trading meme coins, use the link in the description down below to find out more. See you in the next video.